World Capital Market is a global merchant banking advisory firm that assists clients and portfolio companies to meet corporate, financial, and Wall Street objectives. WCM has a presence in New York, Los Angeles, San Francisco, Tokyo, Beijing, Shenzhen, and Dubai. World Capital Market is managed by a team of experts with experience and education in many key fields, including strategy, corporate finance, cross-border business, transaction structure, business law, and accounting. Structured as a finance and strategy advisory firm, WCM focuses on high-growth opportunities and businesses in the U.S., Asia, and Europe. The team has completed over 10 billion in transactions. Special areas of expertise include venture capital, private equity, strategy, financial advisory, social media and entertainment, cross-border business finance, joint ventures, and strategic partnerships. World Capital Market is incubating the third internet revolution. Our value, our prosperity perpetuates in faith, integrity, and diligence.